Here's Cash App and how to use Cash App from 13 plus as a teenager. So you can just tap on your account and then go to family accounts, and they just have like this new feature when you can register as a teen. A family account for anyone who is 13 plus can be set up in minutes and used immediately pending approval. So if you're a teenager, you can deposit money, spend it using a debit card, and exchange money with friends and family. You can also invest in stocks and Bitcoin, crypto. But the one thing is that your parent will just have, your sponsor will just have the complete transparency of your activity and manage the cash card. So you just tap I'm a teen, and from here you just enter your legal name, you just enter your date of birth. So for example, it can be like 2009 or something like that, so you're not 18 yet. And then you just need to tap request approval, and then you need to select okay, so not available for business accounts, but you just need to select it should be a personal account, obviously, as a teenager, and then you just need to select one of the contacts, which can be your parents or some other sponsor who are 18 plus, who also have an account on Cash App, and they just need to approve you. And yeah, that's basically, once you approve, you can just start using the Cash App even if you're just 13 years old and you're not 18. If you're 18 plus, you can just fully use it yourself. So that's the process. Yeah.